Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we break down the engineering marvels and upcoming hardware shaping the future of digital creation. When looking at the evolution of ultra-portable aerial cinematography, the progression of sub-250-gram aircraft has fundamentally altered what solo content creators can achieve out in the field without carrying heavy enterprise rigs. For years, creators operating across premium Western markets have praised the sheer convenience of lightweight folding bodies, yet they consistently hit technical ceilings regarding dynamic range, wind shear handling, and low-light sensor noise. Addressing these structural limitations requires a deep dive into the physics of microdrone engineering, thermal dissipation boundaries, and advanced semiconductor manufacturing. Understanding how future iterations will handle these hurdles provides a clear picture of where consumer drone technology is heading next, especially as manufacturers attempt to balance professional cinema specifications with strict global weight classifications. At the core of any high-end aerial camera platform is the imaging sensor itself, and the architectural limitations of compact drones have historically forced compromises in pixel design and readout speeds. Traditional single-exposure CMOS sensors often suffer from rolling shutter artifacts when banking rapidly through complex environments or tracking subjects moving at high velocities. To mitigate this, advanced optical design trends point toward a stack sensor configuration, which physically separates the pixel photodiodes from the underlying logic circuits. By isolating these layers, the sensor achieves drastically higher data transfer rates, allowing the processor to handle complex high-resolution video streams without bottlenecking. This architectural shift significantly reduces motion skew and warping during aggressive flight maneuvers, yielding cleaner separation in high-contrast lighting scenarios like coastal sunsets or dense urban canyons where shadow detail and highlight retention are tested to their absolute limits. In tandem with sensor architecture, exposure management remains a critical bottleneck for compact aerial platforms due to weight restrictions that traditionally rule out mechanical iris mechanisms. Fixed aperture lenses force operators to rely entirely on electronic shutter speeds or physical neutral density filters to manage bright daylight conditions, which can introduce diffraction issues or limit creative control over motion blur. Structural engineering concepts being explored across the industry involve miniature mechanical variable aperture systems capable of physically adjusting the physical entry point for light. Having direct control over the f-stop allows operators to maintain optimal shutter angles without constantly landing to swap exterior glass filters, keeping workflows streamlined when lighting conditions shift rapidly during outdoor shoots. Combined with improvements in color science and wider native dynamic range profiles, footage captured on these ultralight platforms requires far less recovery in post-production color grading suites. Beyond optics and imaging, power delivery and battery chemistry represent the most stubborn physical barriers in drone development. Lithium-ion battery packs have largely plateaued regarding energy density relative to their weight, making it exceptionally difficult to increase flight times without violating the strict 248-gram legal threshold that governs hassle-free operations in many jurisdictions. To break past this endurance barrier, advanced research has turned towards silicon anode battery architectures, which substitute traditional graphite materials with high-capacity silicon matrix structures. This modification permits significantly more milliamp-hours of storage within the exact same physical volume and weight class, potentially extending real-world flight durations well past previous generational limits. Achieving longer air times per battery pack directly translates into fewer interrupted workflow sequences, allowing operators to complete complex multi-angle tracking passes and hyperlapses without constantly returning to home base for a power swap. Flight safety and autonomous navigation rely heavily on the integration of high-density sensor suites, particularly forward-facing and downward-facing optical systems working alongside modern ranging hardware. Re-obstacle sensing algorithms require immense computational horsepower to process spatial data in real time, especially when flying close to complex structures or through cluttered forest canopies where thin branches easily elude traditional visual cameras. By incorporating refined LiDAR components and wider field of view lenses into the frame, automated flight pathways become substantially more reliable. Furthermore, predictive tracking software utilizes onboard neural processing units to anticipate trajectory shifts rather than merely reacting frame by frame, keeping fast-moving subjects locked squarely in the center of the frame even when temporary visual obstructions cross the lens path. Communication stability is another pillar that dictates the usability of a professional-grade compact drone, particularly in congested metropolitan areas where wireless spectrum congestion causes dropped packets and latency spikes. Next-generation transmission protocols utilize advanced frequency hopping techniques and higher bit rates to maintain a pristine, low-latency high-definition feed between the aircraft and the pilot's control screen. Operating cleanly across crowded suburban and city environments ensures that framing decisions and telemetry readouts remain uninterrupted even at extended distances. When all of these engineering vectors, from sensor architecture and battery chemistry to transmission reliability and autonomous safety nets, converge into a single sub-250-gram airframe, the resulting tool transcends the casual hobbyist category and establishes a genuinely capable foundation for professional field production. To ensure these systems perform reliably under heavy computational loads, thermal management serves as an invisible yet critical engineering hurdle. Packing powerful processors, high bitrate encoders, and wireless transmission modules into a tightly sealed fuselage generates immense internal heat that must be dissipated efficiently without adding active cooling fans that would compromise weather sealing and add excess weight. Engineers are utilizing magnesium alloy internal chassis designs and specialized graphite thermal pads to channel heat directly toward the outer skin of the aircraft, using clean airflow generated by the spinning propellers to cool the system passively during forward flight. This thermal optimization prevents unexpected thermal shutdowns during extended 4K or higher resolution recording sessions in high ambient temperature environments like desert environments or sun-baked urban concrete jungles. Furthermore, software intelligence and onboard computing capabilities are expanding past simple flight stabilization into true scene understanding. Modern machine learning models running directly on the drone's auxiliary processing cores can categorize different landscapes, recognize specific dynamic objects, and dynamically adjust exposure curves or tracking behaviors based on the environmental context. For instance, when flying near reflective water bodies or snow-covered mountain peaks, the flight controller recognizes the high-intensity ambient glare and automatically compensates to prevent blown highlights before they register on the sensor. This degree of automation frees the operator to focus entirely on composition and storytelling rather than constantly managing camera settings manually in rapidly shifting outdoor lighting conditions. As these hardware and software breakthroughs mature, they also force a reassessment of how microdrones integrate into broader production workflows alongside cinema cameras and mirrorless setups. Color profiles are increasingly engineered to match larger professional cinema lines seamlessly, allowing solo creators to mix footage from their primary ground camera and their aerial platform without spending hours trying to reconcile disparate color science in post-production. The inclusion of robust 10-bit recording formats and flat logarithmic curves ensures that grading latitude matches the demands of high-end commercial deliverables. Ultimately, the relentless pursuit of perfection in the sub-250-gram category proves that creators no longer need to sacrifice image fidelity or operational reliability for the sake of portability, marking a transformative leap forward for visual storytelling across the industry. Thank you for watching TapTech, and if you want to stay ahead of every major hardware leak and deep dive analysis, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for our next upload.